So now that we know the difference between a decimal and a digit, let's talk about the different names of the digits within a decimal. So here, Panda has created this little animation to explain things a bit better than I would. So let's take the number 123.456. Now, if we look at the digits in front of the dot, so to the left of the dot, or another way of saying that is the ones part of the whole number, well, they all end in S. Okay, so this is the hundredths digit, this is the tens digit, and this is the ones digit. Sometimes we call this the units digit as well. Now, to the right, all of them end in THS. So this is the tenths digit, this is the hundredths digit, this is the thousandths digit. Okay, so non-native speakers are probably struggle pronouncing this, but who cares? We don't need to pronounce anything in the GMAT, we just need to click on the right answer. Now, you may have noticed that there is no equivalent of a ones on the right-hand side. So there's no oneth, okay, or uniteth. So bear that in mind. Don't make the mistake. We start directly with the 10, so tenths digit on the right. So let's see an example now to illustrate this. Let's take, this one is fine. Let me move my head out of the way. So here we have a number, a decimal number, which is 3,725.48. So first of all, those of you who are from continental Europe or any country that uses the comma as the way of expressing a decimal, do not get confused. The comma in the USA and in the UK is to separate every 3 digits. So when we have, in this case, 3,725, we have 4 digits, we put a comma just in front of the 7. But the dot is for expressing the separation between the whole part and the fractional part. So do not get confused between the two. So in this case, the 3 is the thousands place. Okay, so it ends in S and there's no TH. All right, and that's because it is on the left, so in the whole part, and it is in the, so this would be the ones, this would be the tens, this would be the hundreds, and this would be the thousands. Okay, and so 7 is the hundreds, like I said, 2 is the tens, 5 is the ones, and now to the right, the 4 is in the tenths place. So remember, we jump the oneth, there's no oneth or uniteth with a TH, we jump directly to tenths. Okay, and then the 8 is in the hundredths place. Again, difficult to pronounce, but we don't care about that for the GMAT.